Well, we're here at the iconic The Claw. It's opened back in 2004, and it's one of the most iconic rides here at Dreamworld. It's been in all of our media campaigns, it's been all over social media clearly, and it had a bit of a cheeky opening back in the day on Rove Live. Well, sadly, this is The Claw's last year of operation, so after 20 years, it's just had its birthday. The Claw is closing, but there is some really great news because we're announcing a much bigger, faster ride, which will be opening in 2025.
Wonderful. Could you tell us about this new ride?
Well, the new ride is going to be called King Claw, a bit of a nod to The Claw. So King Claw is opening in 2025, and it's the largest gyro swing in the Southern Hemisphere. So essentially, it's the bigger, better claw. It's going to be 50% taller, 50% faster, and it'll actually go higher than steel taipan. Look, the good news is that the claw will stay open for a little bit longer, so right through to January. So make sure you get into Dreamworld and get that last ride on before we change it out for a really iconic new ride. Look, we're planning for late 2025.